Today I'll be making a sweet and salty honey butter popcorn. Come along. As I head down to the basement where we store our bulk food, we're going to be getting some of this mushroom popcorn. Let's head upstairs and make this sweet and salty snack. I'm going to be using these popcorn kernels, the air popper, 4 tablespoons of real butter, and some of our fresh raw honey from our beehives. I'm just going to put the kernels in the air popper up to that line that you see in there. And I'm simply going to plug it in and wait for the popper to do its magic. Pop this corn. We like to air pop our popcorn. I think it's faster and it doesn't take any additional oil. It's a much healthier option than popping your popcorn in oil or eating microwave popcorn full of chemicals. This sweet and salty snack is free of all of the artificial chemicals and made with delicious butter and raw honey. The kernels are nice and hot. They're starting to pop. Using the air popper, in just a few minutes, you have freshly popped corn. I'm going to be making a second batch to fill up this bowl. Here's batch number 2. Once I get this second batch popped, we'll be melting our butter. I'm just going to melt this in the microwave for a few seconds. To this melted butter, we're going to add the honey. This is just to your personal preference. If I had to guess, I would say I'm adding a 1/3 cup, maybe close to half. Just stir those together until they're combined. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt directly to this mixture. And stir that in. Now I'm going to just pour this mixture over top of the popcorn. I'm going to use all of it today, but you could use just a small amount or make a smaller amount. If you're using less popcorn, you obviously don't want to use this much. Just tossing it here to coat the popcorn. And then it's ready to enjoy. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this sweet and salty honey butter popcorn. It's pretty amazing. Thanks for watching. Take care. We'll see you next time. It looks like we enjoyed it, huh? See you later.